For those of you who have already experienced a cruise ship, you know what's the experience all about. And for those of you who are planning to do one, it's about time you booked your next cruise holiday, as this is one of the best ways to experience an amazing holiday without the hassle of packing and unpacking. Well, I'm here on this beautiful NCL Sky cruise liner here in Abu Dhabi. It's a short site visit. I've been invited to do this, and I thought I'll take this opportunity to showcase these facilities out here to you, so you get a glimpse of what to expect when you're here on a short cruise holiday. It can be a short cruise, a long cruise, packed with entertainment, a lot of activities, and the facilities out here are amazing. So also do contact me. My contact details are in the description. With my vast travel background, rest assured for the best experiences and of course the best prices. So well, join this short amazing journey out here with me, and I hope you guys enjoy this documentary. So well guys, that was a short glimpse of the facilities out here on this Norwegian Sky. And well, if you'd like to book similar experiences, do contact me, and rest assured we'll offer you the best experiences at the best prices and make a hassle-free holiday for you. You can find my contact details in the description. I hope you enjoyed this short documentary, and well, do subscribe and stay tuned to the next one.